This awareness campaign is brought to you by The Sentinel, sworn to serve and protect Pilmico partners. Have you ever heard the line, ignorance of the law excuses no one? This means that not knowing about a law does not excuse you for violating it.
What is Republic Act 10173?
The Congress of the Philippines passed the Republic Act number 10173 in 2012, also known as the Data Privacy Act or DPA of 2012. The Data Privacy Act protects individuals from unauthorized processing of personal information that is private, not publicly available or identifiable. Why is it important? The Act is a necessary and important precaution in a world which has moved to the digital age. Data is one of the most important assets a company has. For that reason alone, data protection should be a top priority for any company.
Why do businesses need to comply? The reasons are there will be penalties and fines ranging from 500,000 up to 4 million, imprisonment ranging from 1 year and 6 months up to 5 years, cease and desist orders affecting business operations, temporary or permanent ban on the processing of personal data.
What needs to protect? First is your personal information. Any information that can be put together with other information to reasonably and directly identify an individual. For example, 1. Carlos De Rossi of Pilmico Foods Corporation. Second is sensitive information. For example, government-issued IDs, licenses, race, age, and others. The third one is privileged information. Confessions to a priest, attorney-client privilege, and doctor-patient privilege. Who will administer? It's the National Privacy Commission. The National Privacy Commission, or NPC, is an independent body created under Data Privacy Act of 2012, which mandated to administer and implement the provisions of the Act. Our rights as data subjects. First, the right to be informed. Your personal data should never be collected, processed, and stored without your explicit consent. Second is the right to access. Ask whether an organization holds your personal data and to gain reasonable access to obtain your personal data. The third one is the right to object. You can object if the personal data processing involved is based on consent or a legitimate interest. Next is the right to erasure or blocking. You have the right to suspend, withdraw, or order the blocking or destruction of your personal data. The fifth one is the right to damages. You may claim compensation if you suffer damages due to inaccurate, incomplete, outdated, false, and unlawfully obtained use of your data. Next is the right to file a complaint. You can file a complaint if your personal information has been misused, maliciously disclosed, or improperly disposed. Next is the right to rectify. You have the right to dispute and correct any inaccuracy or error in your data. And the last one is the right to data portability. Assure that your data is transferred, electronically moved, or copied in a secure manner. With these 8 rights of data subject, don't just collect the personal information without explicit consent. The rights shall be protected with utmost confidentiality, integrity, and availability. For more information about Data Privacy Act of 2012, you may contact your data privacy officer. Thank you for learning with us.